How to redeem codes in Heroes Battlegrounds. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to redeem codes in Heroes Battlegrounds. Check out the latest Heroes Battlegrounds codes here to unlock free in-game rewards and exclusive emotes and other items that add excitement as you jump into this exciting Roblox adventure. Be sure to redeem these codes quickly as they often have a limited lifespan. Use these Be a Strongman codes on Roblox to claim extra free rewards. Keep in mind that we always keep this list updated frequently, especially following each game update, so you will always have access to the newest rewards. New codes are released regularly for milestones, shutdowns, or special events, giving you even more chances to claim free rewards and enhance your Roblox experience. At the moment, there are no expired codes in Heroes Battlegrounds, so be sure to redeem any active codes before they expire so you won't miss out on any rewards. Now open Heroes Battlegrounds on Roblox. Then click on the chat button located in the top left corner of the screen. Once the chat box opens, enter the code you want to redeem into the chat field. Click enter on your keyboard to receive your rewards. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.